situation, Jemima, aside this hostage situation, have there been other reports of intimidation, especially by the principal candidates in Delta State?
Okay, last night, we witnessed party agents from the APC and the Labour Party objecting several results from different local governments. They accused the APC of, the PDP rather, of intimidation from different local government areas. As of last night, when we left here around 7 p.m., the 18 local governments were announced, and they kept objecting these results. Some, the APC party agents also accused the PDP of sharing fake results at Ughelli South as of yesterday night. Back to you.
All right. Jemima, real quickly, I'd like you to expatiate further on those allegations, against the number 5 citizen in this country, the Deputy Senate President. What particularly happened? And has reports been filed officially? And can we also get his own side of the story, because this is very sad in our country?
Okay, Rufai, as I said earlier, the returning officer, or Wunari, George Will himself, he's seated right behind me there. He just announced that the Deputy Senate President held these people hostage in his own words since last night. We're still trying to confirm how true that is. Like you said, we have to get his own side of the story first before we can make claims of these allegations. But this is a very serious allegations if they are true. But he just made an announcement a few moments ago that these officials are on their way back from Ughelli North, which is the deputy hometown of the DSP himself. Yesterday, the resident commissioner of Delta State, Monday Udotom, announced that there will be a supplementary election in 2 local governments in Baramatu and also Ukani, which is Delta North of the state. So we're yet to receive the results, hence the break that we see here. But those allegations, if they are true, we have to get the DSP's word first before we can make these claims true. Back to you, to the studio.